Good afternoon. I hope you're having a happy Saturday. So today I'm going to talk about natural hair care with essential oils. I'm just going to share a little bit about what I do for my locks. So first of all, I use a glass container, a spray bottle. I ordered this from Amazon. And what I use is, I use distilled water. So I just got these from Kroger. And I fill the bottle almost all the way with distilled water, probably 3/4 of the way with the distilled water. After that, I use jojoba oil. You can find this at any hair supply place. It just comes in a little bottle like that, and it has a dropper at the top. So I add about 20 drops of the jojoba oil, or maybe more than 20 drops. I just pour some in there. I would say it's probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of jojoba oil. And then I use tea tree, cedarwood, and rosemary. And I'm putting about 10 drops each of each one of these. And just like the jojoba oil, it has a little dropper already built in. So I just drop. So we're going to do 10 drops. Okay. That was cedarwood. This is rosemary. Now the first year of when me starting my locks, the only thing I used was rosemary. So for an entire year, the only thing I put in my hair was just distilled water, just water and rosemary. I would just spray my locks with it daily or weekly. So you're just gonna, let the drops fall naturally. 1, 2. Hi, Monique. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's the rosemary. How you doing? Thanks for watching. And this is tea tree. So tea tree has the cleansing aspect to it, cleansing properties. The rosemary and the cedarwood are for conditioning and growth. So then I put the tea tree, and I'm just letting it drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put about 15. Okay, so that's the tea tree. Now the reason why I use the jojoba oil, because that's the part that kind of gives your hair a little sheen. So just the water and the essential oils, great for conditioning, great for hair growth, great for, keep it from having so much breakage. I feel like my length have really come a long way from a couple years ago when I had the little small. So it has really grown fast. And this year is when I added the jojoba, just for a little more sheen. So that's how I take care of my little babies. And then all I do, I just, just spray that in, make sure I get to my roots real good. That's pretty much it. Got to care for all the little babies up here. So I just spray it. Get on my edges real good. And pretty much that is it. That's it. So all you need is water, jojoba oil, cedarwood, tea tree, and rosemary. Now my hair is natural, so I like a lot of water in my hair. If your hair is not natural, like if you like your hair straight or if it's permed and you don't want to put a lot of water in it, these essential oils also work in whatever product you're using. So if you're using a conditioner or a shampoo, you can just put the drops in what you're using. Even if you're using a hair oil, like to oil your scalp, as long as it's something natural. Like, you don't want to add a natural essential oil to a synthetic grease. So if you're using a natural product that has no sulfite, you know, something like I don't know if you use almond or if you use like a shea butter or something like that, where anyway you can add the essential oil to that product and it will still work great for hair growth and for conditioning. So that's my hair care DIY for today. I'll see you on tomorrow evening. I'll have my box, my wellness box that arrived this month, and I'll share the products that's in there. That'll be tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay. Have a blessed evening. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.